welcome to my not even quarter life crisis. I don't know what's wrong with me right now, but I really want to change something, and I don't have the money for a tattoo, and I don't have the money for a piercing, so I'm gonna dye my hair. I don't know how I feel about this just yet, but you know, we're gonna see how it's gonna go. I'm just going for it. Why not? Oh, Jesus Christ. Someone help me. I needed to color my hair anyway, and I just really wanted to make a change. So I decided to completely change my hair color instead of just dyeing it my usual red. So I know that this is going to be weird for you guys and for me and just everyone, but you know, it's fine. Change is good. It's fine. We're fine. Everything's fine. I'm fine. I can never get this little freaking thing open. Did it. Right, this is happening. This is actually, I'm doing this. This is happening. Oh. It's fine. And I have a playlist this weekend, but you know, if I hate it, it's fine. It's whatever. That's what editing is for. I'll edit my hair back to red if I hate it that much. It's fine. We're fine. Everything's fine. I'm fine. Now here's the really interesting part. I'm blind without my glasses, and I have to do this without my glasses on so I don't get hair dye all over my glasses. And I'm completely changing the color of my hair. I'm not just doing red. So like, usually whenever I dye my hair red, it's okay if I miss a spot here and there because my hair is red anyway. But with this, I'm completely changing colors. So I could really screw up right now. I'll just go get another box of hair dye if it ends up being really bad. It's fine. We're fine. I'm becoming my full emo self. And there's no going back now. Also, don't judge how I dyed my hair because I'm not a professional in the slightest. So like, I'm just winging it, alright? Okay. Doing? What am I doing with my life? Why am I doing this? Because I'm an idiot, that's why. Good answer, yeah. If you've ever wondered what a mental breakdown looks like, this is it. This is one of the things that a mental breakdown can look like, if you were curious. I'm gonna show up at playlist and no one's gonna freaking know who I am. Not that many people do anyway, but like, you get the point. And my mom is not home right now, so whenever she gets home, I'm going to get her reaction because she has no idea that I am doing this. Oh, it's already changing. I have a towel that I'm not even using. Wow, I am stupid. Doing the back of my hair whenever I was dyeing it red is hard enough, and now I'm completely changing colors. So this is going to be interesting. I should probably put the towel around me. Don't worry, I didn't kill anyone. This is just our hair dye towel. So it has my red hair and my mom's brown hair color all over it. Oh my god, look at it already. Goodbye, Ariel. And I also know you're supposed to do the roots and then do the ends of your hair, but I'm too impatient for that. So here we are. I just have a feeling my mom is going to walk in the middle of this. I swear on my life, I thought I just heard her. If any of you guys want to color your hair, go for it. Just do it. It's hair. You can change it back. You can do whatever you want to it. So just do whatever you want to do. Like if I end up hating this, I can change it back. It's not the end of the world. Oh yeah, I definitely should have got 2 boxes. Oh my god, it's already so different. There's definitely still parts in here that are red, but I might just like leave it for now and use the little bit extra that I have to fix any mess ups if there's any, you know what I mean? Now it's all over my face. Okay, love that. This towel. And how did I get it all over my chest? I don't know. This is a mess. We're a mess. It's fine. And I am gonna get my mom's reaction whenever she comes home, so stay to the end of the video if you want to see that. I probably shouldn't touch this, but you know we're going to anyway. It looks like I got basically everything, so I'm gonna do what I said, and I'm gonna leave the rest of the little bit of dye that is left in case there's any spots that need fixed. I have the extra to put it on there. So now we wait. I will see you guys once I wash it out. And of course the air clicks on right as I'm about to start recording again. Love that! But now it is time to wash my hair out. So I'm gonna try to set it up to where you guys can see it, but like I don't know if it's gonna work, but we gonna see. Okay, and the towel's falling off. I'm not trying to have... Okay, I guess it's coming off. I was gonna try to not have black hair dye all over my body, but it's fine. That should work. Yeah, we're good. You're not gonna be able to hear me if I say anything, but like it's fine. Okay, here we go. Does anyone else get winded doing this? Because like I feel like I just ran a marathon. Wow, hello. I washed it and I wiped part of my eyebrow off. I look cute right now. It's washed. I'm going to go dry it and style it. You shouldn't do that right after dyeing it, but like I'm going to do it anyway because I'm impatient, so yeah. I was fixing my hair because there were some spots that needed redone. But she needed loving. This is Demi. Banks is over there just staring us down like a little creep. My pretty baby. And yes, she's named after Demi Lovato. And that's Binks, named after the cat in Hocus Pocus, even though he isn't a black cat. And there's my other one, Miley, and yes, she's named after Miley Cyrus. I did it. It's finished. I actually love it, and I'm shocked, but I'm going to show you guys in 3, 2, 1. I have black hair now. Probably like the most impulse why can I not speak English? The most impulse decision I have made in a while, but I absolutely love it. Actually, like, it was a very good change for me, because I was just, like, in that, I don't know if you guys get like this too, but, like, you just get in a mood where you're like, I need to change something or I'm going to go insane. So, like, my only options really are to change my hair, to get a tattoo, or to get a piercing, and I don't have the money to get a tattoo or a piercing right now, so I just decided to dye my hair. And I don't like my hair like any other color, and I can't do like a crazy color myself. Like I would definitely go like bright purple or blue or something, but I don't have the money to go get that done professionally, so I know that I like my hair black, so that's what I went with, and I'm very, very happy with it. And if you guys don't like it, then like sorry, I guess, but I really like it. And yeah, I'm going to get my mom's reaction to it, like I said, so make sure you stay to see that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on my post notifications so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Are they closed?
Yeah.
Look at me.
Oh my god. Holy shit. When'd you do that?
Today.
Turn around. Oh my god, you look so different.
Yeah. Close your eyes.
Did he look already?
I don't know. Ready? Open.
Nice color. Oh,
that's kind of a big change. If he didn't notice it, then he's real oblivious.